my mango.
Check that out,
What's
no,
going
nobody.
on?
Justin, when he hears the
Nobody.
charge,
Actually, where's Daniel?
Oh shit, yeah.
Holy shit! Holy banger, banger, banger.
Excuse me.
To life.
Excuse me. Dude, how much you have? You holy shit!
oh my god, bro.
Haunted doll.
Alright, there's nothing over there, bro. Oh! Ew! That's a nasty ass motherfucker, bro. That is a nasty ass motherfucker.
Let's say, wait, let's go say, oh, what the fuck?
Oh, we're cooked. Oh, we're so fucked.
Give me up! Oh my god!
Hi, little buddy. Hi.
Yo, I am 1 health.
I got you so good. Who is freezing up the monster right now?
Spinner.
Whoa! Why do you look baked as fuck? Yo!
Hey.
What the? Bro is baked to the core. You too. Oh my god. What the fuck is happening? What is happening? Happy. I think it's Bobo.
I went the other way. There's so much loot.
Bobo.
Okay, doggy gun.
Hi, Bobo.
Okay, Grant. It can't be a friendly dog. It has to be bad. It has to be bad dog because bad dog.
Guys, I don't think Bobo's being a good boy. Yo, help.
Bobo chillin. Yo, Bobo. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, what the heck?
Push that boy.
I'm bored. I'm done petting the dog.
Oh, wait, don't push it.
Everyone loves Bobo.
Oh.
Guys, there's an old man over there.
Oh my god, it's Bobo.
Oh shit. And then an explosion.
Oh.
Holy shit!
Hunter.
No, they shot Bobo! No, they shot Bobo!
He shot the Bobo!
Beats
moted into me.
I saw it!
45k! Yeah, hell no.
I think everyone can get an upgrade.
Fat shuffle nuts.
Okay. I might get.
Everyone gets one item.
I'm gonna get strong girls. Strong girls.
I'm strong.
I think you need a
Pepto-Bismol.
I
I'm
do?
gonna get spin speed as well. Hey, everybody, make
I
sure
think
you
I
grab
need
your
something
upgrades if you
stronger.
want.
Don't.
Which upgrade?
How much beer did you have?
I didn't even have any.
Who wants an inspection? Who wants an inspection?
Me, please. Me, please.
Please don't. Who wants in?
Nathan, right here. Nathan, right here. I'm turning around. Oh.
constant state of edging. Edge.
What the fuck is that?
I would hit.
Yo!
Go boy.
Great shit, gang. Great shit, gang. Now what mother?
Kiss
Come on,
oh
Curtis,
Bryce.
with me.
Guys, it's
Yo, 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 yo.
Bryce.
You can't carry it. You can't carry it. Yeah, that's what I said, Bryce.
Oh my god.
Make her very slow. She's no longer.
Oh, she's kind of bad. Okay.
Gotta go hard.
Oh my god.
Why do you sound like that?
Real.
What the fuck?
Maddie, I can't keep helping you, bro.
Yo.
I can't keep helping you.
Yo, who did that?
I'm walking.
I am not.
No, no.
You ran out of your free trials, bro. You ran out of your free trials.
No.
Go.
God damn, Maddie, what the fuck?
What? Yo, I went to go take a shit. Can't lie.
You whack for that.
What do you mean?
Yo, take her to the laser.
No, whoa.
Did we activate the floor extraction?
Don't.
Did we?
Don't.
The fucking teeth that you fucking. Be gentle.
I'ma smack you, silly. Oh my god, Eli, when I got you. Eli, when I got you.
That was you!
No, it was you.
I'm gonna fuck you
Wait,
in the
Eli.
ass.
Fuck you!
Man, fuck you. I hate your ass. Oh, Eli. Oh, fucking dumbass.
She was like, watch out, yo! And then he actually dived right into it.
Why did you?
Alright.
Oh, motherfucker.
It's called a service. We're done. Little juice fine.
What the hell?
What's fishy's going on here? I don't like it. Something.
What the?
What the fuck is this?
I'll just.
Yeah, keep grabbing.
I'm kind of the looter.
To the walls there.
That's the soccer lady.
Whoa!
Oh my god.
Where's the car? Where's the car?
Careful! Watch out! Watch out!
Oh.
Me.
What is happening, yo?
Guys, am I skipping the toilet?
I'm gonna place this. What the fuck was that?
Something
Oh
The heck?
God!
big thing. Hold on.
I gotta find other stuff though.
Oh,
Oh my God! Like, no, we are not making that shit. We are not making that. Oh my God!
I'm not fighting the gnome. I'm at HP. I'm chill.
Push it in.
Push it in.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wait.
Wait, the head.
Need a head. Need a head.
oh shit! Go run!
Go! Get it! Get it! What? No! Chat!
We'll hold it. You guys get to the other.
I got it.
Oh yeah.
Got it?
Single file line, y'all.
Okay. You guys got it?
Someone else grab it.
Yep. Got it.
2 times Pimpy. 3 times.
I fucking hate him.
Alright, you ready to put the card in?
How many?
7 of us.
7 of them.
I feel popular.
Never mind, we don't want his ass.
Fuck off! Fuck off!
Wait, he's getting on, yo.
I feel so popular.
I came out.
I'm up for another round of repo, baby.
So, repo is actually downloading, so.
Oh, y'all hear that?
You're a monster? You can make one other person drink. Oh, hell no. I'd like to make a suggestion.
Yes.
What's your suggestion?
If you're the last one alive and you don't clutch, you need to drink the entire bottle.
That's crazy.
I see him.
Alright,
I see that. I see that little
Like a
guy.
little head. I need to see his head.
I see the
Top of his head.
the bottom of the list.
Top of his head.
I don't know.
Run that shit, baby! Run that shit! Come on, let's go!
What? Hot dog. Oh, I have to. The top of your head is so big, Nathan.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. I'm almost dying. I can't stop. Guys. It scares me.
I mean, excuse me.
Oh.
Shut your pajazzo! Shut your pajazzo! It's
That
Bobo.
way. Some people just get RKO'd. Oh, Bobo!
Somebody is so high right now. Is it? Yeah, no, it's funny though. It's funny though. Yeah, I promise it's funny.
Go!
What the?
Hey, yo!
What the fuck is wrong with him?
Can you
I've never
hold
played
left
this
click-
game before.
Wait here, Evan. Let's click the back on the buttons, on my buttons.
On mine, on mine. No, on mine. Left
On mine.
No. Your brother's troll. He's gonna die anyway. Yo! Have to drink
Dude,
another
Maddie
thing.
died somehow.
I died somehow.
It is.
Killed me, yo.
It's
Eli killed me and Evan watched it.
I did.
You watched it happen. You watched it happen. You're like, fucking kill me, you piece of shit. I'm gonna kill you, bro. Oh my god, watch yourself. Watch yourself, ho.
Of you straight to me and fucking fried me.
Yo, wait. This Eli guy just put me in the fucking stall. Yo.
I gotta
Alright, you see
pay for
anything?
that.
I don't think so. Come on, get out of here. I'm kidding. We're gonna flush it first.
Damn, the disrespect on your body is crazy.
Bro, this happens every fucking time I play Repo with anyone.
There we go.
Man, fuck you. I hate you both. Oh my god. Oh my god. Collectively have to drink. Uh-oh. Oh, wait.
Oh my god.
Wait.
Bless.
What the fuck?
My bad.
Oh my god.
Yes, he is. Yes, he is.
Oh my god.
If Alex doesn't get this, he has to drink a whole bottle.
Daniel fucking kicked my ass.
Daniel, stop!
Daniel's on.
Daniel?
Daniel's on.
Daniel,
Daniel's on.
Daniel, oh my god, Daniel, twin, this is you, twin, wait, I'm throwing shit out the car, I don't care, put me down!
Guys, I wouldn't turn around.
Yeah, I'm special in the head, fuck! Don't need to remind me, fuck! What the f-
I like the way you're pushing that cart.